Hello from Slovenia again. Today I will do a reverse flower dip on the red background with some black, gold, red and pearl white, and I will use this cadmium yellow, cadmium red for my base from PAPER because it's opaque, and I did already painted my canvas, and my paints are in the squeeze bottles from Fluid Art Co. I love those squeeze bottles. I will put link to that in my description box if you want to have some. And of course my flower shaped cup for the pattern of a flower. I will pour my base coat on and I will be right back. I will start with a little bit of black, and then I will go with, this is Art Extreme Sheen Gold, and some red, some pearl white, some black again, I will stop. Now I will grab a skewer to draw some petals. Okay, remove my cup and I will drag a little bit of this paint towards the middle here. Touch in the middle, it will be nice, and it's not in the center again. And now I will spray my paper napkin with water. I have a lot of tutorials, more detailed tutorials if you want to learn more in detail about this technique, about reverse flower dip. gently, just to make sure that your napkin is touching the flower underneath. And now I will gather all the corners, grab them together and lift the napkin straight up. Weird. Not a lot of lacing, maybe because black and this red are opaque. And maybe they didn't react as much with pearl white and gold. Because I see some cells but don't see the lacing. But I will leave it like it is. I don't know, I kind of like it anyway. So let me take you down for a close-up. So here she is. A little different one, but I still like it. I really do. I think that for the flower I should use different red, that it's not opaque, because opaque colors except the black and white doesn't create much lacing with my pearl white. And I think that this was the problem, but still it's not bad. I have some lacing here in the middle where I have just white and black at the end, you know, and here I have some lacing. I just want to, just a second. Just want to correct this middle a little bit. I kind of can't. Okay, now it's okay. So I will keep this one anyway because I like it. It's different, but still I kind of like that there is just this white here in the middle and those cells around. So I will say Merry Christmas to all of you, and thanks for all that the support that you give me and help me keeps growing and creating. Happy holidays. See you on the next one. Bye.